right, good morning. Welcome back to Our Cabin Escape. So we don't have a whole lot to do this weekend. We have really one major goal. And the only reason we're really on site this weekend is to close up the garage doors.
Actually, two things. We needed to get the rest of the pit run or gravel moved around the base of the cabin and that, so.
We did that last night.
We did that last night. She'll insert some video, somewhere in here. So she'll get that in there. But yeah, we came up for that and to close off the garage doors. Those were really the two reasons why we were up here this weekend. So.
That and it's raining. So we're testing out the roof, make sure that we have no leaks. It's just kind of coincidence. We happen to be here and it's raining. So roof is fully on. So it is all closed up. They were short some material for the front soffit. So they will be back hopefully next week, finish that up. And then we are completely closed in and done. But yeah, so this weekend we're gonna hang out, chill.
Watch it rain,
Yeah.
So just make sure there's no leaks, double check all the windows and make sure that they're not leaking, the roof, there's no puddles coming in. Perfect opportunity to check all that and yeah, get the garage doors boarded up and yeah, it'll be a relatively quiet weekend, but a couple things we still want to get done.
So yeah, stick around and we'll see what we can get done around the rain.
Mm-hmm.
There goes Dave. I'm not allowed to climb ladders anymore. So Dave's gonna go upstairs and he's gonna check upstairs for leaks. So we got the wall all framed. Now we've got the truck down here with the plywood so we can get the plywood on it, get it closed up. We'll throw some Tyvek on the outside and be done with the 16-foot and then we'll close up the small one. So there we go. Both doors are framed in. We had a little bit of Tyvek left. We were hoping we had more than that, but we'll probably pick some more up and put some more on that. So it's a little protected. But there you go. Garage doors are all closed in. It's kind of dark in there. I'll show you. So here's the garage from the inside. Yes, part of the plywood is painted. We had it in the basement for where we were raising puppies at our regular house, our normal house. We don't do puppies right now anymore, so we just took it down and brought it up here. So here we are. I'd say we just got on site, but we actually got here yesterday and looked at the cabin and we're super excited and forgot to get any video. So here we are. We're gonna walk out and get some video of the roof for you guys. So they got all the roof on, so the roof itself is secure. They got all of our soffits in. Let's see if we can zoom in here. So all of our soffits along the east sides and the north and the south side are all done. They did run out. Oh wow, it's a fall on my face. They did run out of soffit pieces for the west side, so they still need to do the west side. You can kind of see right there in the corner that it's not complete on that side. So they still need to come back and they will do that, but they have to wait for the material to be ready. So they'll come back and do that. But Dave will get us some pretty footage of the roof from above, because yeah, from here it looked just, you can't really tell. So here is the west side. You can see that they still need to put the fascia and all of the soffit underneath the side. So yeah, so they'll be back to do that for us. But other than that, it is fully secure. I mean, garage doors are closed in, all of the doors and windows are in, roof is on. That means that we are all done with the exterior except for putting siding on next year. So, huge feat. So yeah, so it's all weathered in for the year. That's all right. That's it for us for this weekend. We got what little bit we wanted to do done. Did a little bit of sightseeing. Sat in here and enjoyed the sound of the rain on the metal roof.
Which I love the sound of rain on metal roof. It's just an awesome sound. So.
Brilliant.
That was really nice to actually have it rain when we were up here this weekend. So make sure that there's no leaks in the roof, the windows, everything is sealed up. So yeah, we're really excited to just
We are
progress
now.
that we've done.
We can now say we are completely weathered in.
Yeah.
So
So
that's exciting.
But yeah, we got everything done we wanted to this weekend. So now it's just kind of head home and yeah, just relax.
Yeah. So yeah, so that's it. So we will wrap it up and head home, and
Yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and
we will see you next weekend.
thanks for watching.